Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube Tips by Blessing. Today I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube thumbnail that gets clicks, and eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. All right, so you open your Canva. We are going to use Canva for this tutorial. Open your Canva, select the template if you want to use templates, but I started with from scratch in order to teach you, for you to understand how it works. All right, I didn't use any template on this. So what you need to do is tap in the open Canva, start your YouTube thumbnail. Remember that YouTube thumbnail have sizes, it has sizes. All right, so you will type in the size, then you will choose your background color. In this tutorial I choose red. All right, I'm using red background. So after choosing your red background, or whichever color that you want to use for your background, then normally I do use black, but this one I decided to use red. You know, red has this kind of energy, very shouty kind of energy. All right, very inviting, very beautiful. You know, anytime you are making a thumbnail, always make sure that your thumbnail is eye-catching. Like, design a thumbnail that when you look at it, you will be happy in your mind. You will be happy. I mean, before you use any thumbnail on your video, always ask yourself, if I see this thumbnail outside, if I see this thumbnail in another person's channel, will I click this thumbnail? Will this thumbnail invite me? All right, ask yourself that question and be sincere enough to answer yourself the question. So back to what I was saying, I use red background. Then after using your red background, you will choose to type in the topic. Remember, a good thumbnail have 3 to 4 words. Don't compound your thumbnail with too many words, too many explanations, too many letters. Let the letters be few. Let the letters on your thumbnails, let them be few, like, you know, little words, and make it to be, let your thumbnails deliver value, deliver message, deliver curiosity. Like, when somebody see, the person will be like, let me watch to know what's up, let me watch to know what the video is all about. Do you understand? So there are, in this Canva, there are different text templates that you can choose from. There are different text templates. When you click on this place that is text and you scroll down to it, it will show you different text templates. Just like Canva has template for thumbnails, text also has template. So you choose your text template. All right, so here now I choose my own text templates. This is what I'm doing. As you are looking at the screen, what you are seeing on the screen, I'm trying to write in the words, the message that I want. All right, so after typing in what you want to be seen on the Canva, there is also something we call elements. See elements down here. That is, after design, there's element. You click on elements to bring in any kind of picture or image that you want. Here I'm choosing YouTube on this particular one now. So when you tap that element, you will, any kind of thing you want to search is there. Any kind of thing, any kind of picture, any kind of logo, any kind of image you want to search on the element, just type it out and search. They will bring it out for you. So you have to include it. All right, depending on your message, depending on the message you want to pass out with the thumbnail, depending on the message you want to pass out with your topic. All right, so this is it. I just tap in the element and I brought in this YouTube with red logo. This is what I did. Then this my picture. Now I'm trying to change the color so that the color will be also sweet in the eyes to look. You will click filters, and this is what I just did. I click filter. All right, once you click filter, you choose the color you want to make the picture to be, you know, sweet to look at, to make the picture to be very sweet and enticing and inviting, you know, to look at. So this is what I've just done. See, now the color have changed. All right, remember, before you can design a YouTube thumbnail, make sure with Canva, make sure you have strong network. All right, so after all this, when you have choose your background, choose the text template and type out what you want to be seen on the YouTube thumbnail, and you put in your picture, the image you want to use, everything is done. Then you will save. I'm downloading my work. This is it, and it's very beautiful. See the outcome, see the final look. It's very beautiful. Tell me, will you be trying it? Remember, subscribe to YouTube Tips by Blessing. I drop tips to help you grow on. Thank you for watching.